Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make the fluffiest, most delicious buttermilk pancake, which is very easy to make and it's a great breakfast for the kids. So let's check out the process. These are the ingredients for pancakes. Here we are taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I am taking granulated sugar and some oil for cooking. So I am taking this cooking spray. For baking you can take just a normal vegetable oil or any other oil for baking. Let's start the preparation. So first we'll mix all the dry ingredients together. So we'll take 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a large bowl and we'll add that 1 teaspoon of baking powder in that and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we'll just mix it together. Now we'll take another bowl and we'll transfer that egg into that and just whisk that egg. And then transfer that 1 cup of buttermilk in this. Again mix it and add that 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix it properly and keep it aside. Make sure these all 3 ingredients, buttermilk, egg and melted butter, these 3 are on room temperature. Now we'll add this wet mix into this wet ingredients bowl. And we'll mix it smoothly. We don't need to over mix it, so just gently mix it. So our mixture is ready now. We'll start making pancakes now. For that just put a pan on the stove and turn on the heat. And you can keep the heat to the medium. So pan is hot now, so we'll spray some oil on the bottom. And we'll pour some batter on the pan. And make one more here. Just keep the heat on the medium. You can bake it for 2 to 3 minutes, or you can check once the bubbles starts appearing on the surface. It is a sign that you can flip it now. So it looks like it is baked from the other side, so we can flip it now. And we'll bake it from the other side. You can see it looks very fluffy. We'll check it now. So looks like it is baked from the other side as well. You can see. Just turn off the heat. So you can see our golden pancakes are ready now, and you can just pour some pancake syrup over it. It looks very delicious. I would say you should definitely try this recipe. It comes out very fluffy and kids love it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.